Assalamu Aleikum. Meet the new addition to the family. Is multifunctional meat grinder dish machine meat grinder. I got the 5 kg 5 liter one from from eBay. I got it for £13.99. Time to unbox. I don't know whether the knife is not sharp at all. Wow, the color is so nice. So this is the blade. What is that? If you have to manage through the blade. I wasn't expecting this at all. You need professional fixing. Okay. The motor. Oh my goodness. I thought it's something that I will be able to use just now, but with all this going on, okay, I think that's for additional blades. But these are the additional blades. Okay, this one is, I don't know whether it's the same size or I'm not sure about that. Okay, that's the blade protector. Okay, that's nice. This. To be honest with you, it's not that bad for £14. It's not bad. It's got 2 additional blades. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. An additional, what's this? What did they call it? Pastry cutter. That's a gift. That's not bad. This to protect the, I don't know what this one is for. Maybe it's to keep it tight. I'm not sure about that one. I'll have to read about it to check what that one is for. And that's all we've got. I have to take my time off to read. Let me try and test it for you guys. Oh, the blade protector is still there. And the wire is long enough. Not bad. The length of the plug is not bad at all. So I find out what this is for, is to stabilize the pot from moving. Although this does not fit well, but it comes with this little spatula. This is the main reason why I bought this machine. It's just to chop onions and ginger. Let's see whether it will work for the purpose. Alhamdulillah, it's all done. Although it's overblend, but it's still manageable. It's very easy to use, and I did not add any water to this. That's another good thing about it. I've tried this with ginger, onion and garlic. Now I want to try it with pepper. I've got 25 different type of pepper here. I don't want to fully blend it. I just want to blend it. So just whether it will work. Wow. The problem with it is that the top bits blend faster than the lower bits. Now I'm trying it with onions and scotch bonnet with tomato. This blade is too sharp that if you don't want the pepper blend, you have to only press it like twice or else before you know it, the pepper is fully blended. I got this whole bowl of pepper. Add 250 ml of stock water. I'll be using 10 Maggi. I've got 4 chicken knorr and 6 ordinary knorr. This minced herb. Add curry. Add a little bit of low sodium salt. I'm going to off the heat now and just leave the turkey and chicken inside to settle. Now I want to try it on smooth blend. Let's see whether it will work. I think you can blend that. I think you can blend more than that. The smoothness is not that bad. Downside is that the cover is not sealed, so when you are blending watering stuff, the water can come out. It's not that full. I was about to dispose my main blender thinking that this will do the work, but it's not good for blending watery stuff, so you can only use it to shop. But the blade is pretty sharp anyway. Jazakumullah khairan for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. With this, I leave you in the care of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay blessed and safe with lot of love. He what?